The average person cleans their house more than 200 times a year, and somehow it never actually feels done. You vacuum on Monday, it's dusty by Thursday. You scrub the bathroom, it's grimy again by the weekend. You declutter the counter, and by dinner, it's full again. Japan cracked something most countries completely missed. A spotless home isn't the result of cleaning more often. It's the result of a system that stops mess before it ever starts. That's why so many homes in Japan stay calm and tidy, even in small spaces, even with busy schedules. Today, we're counting down 13 Japanese cleaning habits behind their spotless homes. And the very first one has nothing to do with a mop, a broom, or a single cleaning product. Number 13, the floor you never think to clean. Let's start with the one spot almost everyone skips, the floor right by your front door. In most homes, this little patch collects dirt, grease, and dust every single day. Nobody wipes it. Nobody even notices it. But here's the interesting part. In Japan, this spot gets cleaned every day, not once a week. It's treated like the front line of the whole house. Why? Because everything that walks into your home passes through that one spot first. What do? A quick wipe every morning before anything else. How? With a small cloth kept right by the door, so there's no excuse to skip it. In most Western homes, that same spot gets a real clean once a month. Your front door isn't decoration, it's a checkpoint. And a checkpoint only works if somebody's actually watching it. Number 12, the slippers nobody talks about. Now think about your bathroom floor. It's one of the dirtiest surfaces in your entire house. And yet most people walk straight from that floor into the hallway, the kitchen, sometimes the bedroom. Same socks, same feet, no pause at all. In Japan, there's a separate pair of slippers used only inside the bathroom. The second you step out, you switch back. Why does this matter? Because bathroom floors carry more bacteria than almost anywhere else in a home. What's the fix? A physical boundary right at the doorway. How does it work? You never let bathroom feet touch the rest of the house. In most Western homes, there's no boundary at all. The bathroom just blends into everything else. Aha moment. You don't have a dirty bathroom problem. You have a bathroom that doesn't stay in the bathroom. That 2-second swap is doing more work than most people realize. Number 11, the kit hiding in plain sight. Here's a mistake almost every home makes without knowing it. All your cleaning supplies live in one place, usually under the kitchen sink. But messes don't happen under your kitchen sink. They happen everywhere else. And this changes everything. In Japan, small cleaning kits get placed in every room. The bathroom has one, the kitchen has one, even the entryway has one. Why? Because distance kills good habits. What's the system? A tiny kit, always within reach. How? A cloth and a spray tucked in a drawer in every single room. In the West, the cleaning supplies live far away, so a spill just sits there. You don't have a discipline problem, you have a logistics problem. If the fix isn't nearby, the mess always wins. Number 10, the wall you forgot existed. Quick question. When's the last time you dried your shower walls? Probably never. Most people towel off and walk away, leaving the walls wet for hours. Here's what most people don't realize. In Japan, people wipe down the shower walls and glass right after every single shower. Takes about 15 seconds. Why bother? Because trapped moisture is exactly what mold needs to grow. What's the habit? A quick wipe, done while the room is still warm. How? A squeegee or a small towel, kept right in the shower. In most Western bathrooms, that wall just air dries on its own schedule, which is never. Aha moment. Mold isn't really a cleaning failure, it's a drying failure. 15 seconds now saves you a scrubbing nightmare later. Number 9, the lid everyone skips. After a bath, most people just leave the tub open. Steam rises, humidity spreads, and it settles into your walls, your mirror, your grout. But wait. In Japan, there's a simple cover placed over the bathtub right after use. Why does this matter? Because that cover traps the heat and blocks the steam from spreading. What does it solve? Two problems at once, less humidity in the room and warmer water if someone else wants to bathe next. How simple is it? Just a lightweight cover, nothing expensive. In most Western homes, we just run the bathroom fan and hope for the best. Your fan is fighting a battle it never needed to fight if the steam is stopped at the source. Sometimes the best fix isn't ventilation, it's containment. Number 8, The rule that fits in 60 seconds. Small tasks are sneaky. Hang up a jacket, rinse a mug, close a drawer. Each one takes seconds. But we put them off anyway. And they pile up until Saturday becomes a 3-hour cleanup. Now think about that. In Japan, there's a simple rule. If something takes less than 60 seconds, you do it right now. No debate, no later. Why does this work? Because it removes the decision completely. What's the rule? Under a minute, it happens immediately. How do you use it? Every time you notice a small task, you just do it on the spot. In the West, we tell ourselves we'll get to it. We almost never do. Clutter isn't built by one big mess. It's built by tiny postponements, stacked on top of each other. Later is where clean houses quietly go to die. If you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and tap like. It tells YouTube you want more of Japan's clever, everyday innovations. And if you love discovering things you didn't even know existed, hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this list. Trust me, the next ones are even cooler. Number 7. The question that ends the clutter argument. Most closets have a just-in-case shelf. Old cables, random boxes, clothes you haven't worn in years. The surprising part is, in Japan there's a simple filter. If it isn't used and it doesn't serve a real purpose right now, it doesn't stay. It doesn't matter what it cost or who gave it to you. Why does this matter? Because just in case is usually guilt, dressed up as practical thinking. What's the test? Ask if it's actually being used, not might be used, is being used. How often do they apply it? Regularly, not just during one big yearly purge. In most Western homes, just-in-case items just keep multiplying year after year. Aha moment. Storage isn't free. You're paying rent on things you forgot you even own. That box in your garage isn't storage. It's a subscription nobody remembers signing up for. Number 6. The system that ends the "where is it?" fight. Every household has this exact argument. Have you seen my keys? Where's the remote? Who moved my charger? It happens because nothing has one fixed spot. But wait, in Japan, every single object gets assigned one exact home, not a general area, one specific spot, every single time. Why does this matter? Because it removes the daily search and argue cycle completely. What's the system? One object, one home, no exceptions. How do you build it? Pick the spot once and always put it back there, every time. In the West, most things live somewhere on the counter, which really means nowhere at all. Most mess isn't extra stuff. It's stuff with nowhere assigned to go. Give everything a home and the daily argument just disappears. Number 5. The habit you'd be embarrassed to admit you skip. Let's talk about the room people judge you on the most. The bathroom. Most people scrub it once a week, if that. But guests form an opinion of your whole house in the first 10 seconds inside it. And suddenly, nothing feels the same. In Japan, there's the quick daily wipe down of the toilet, under a minute, treated as non-negotiable as brushing your teeth. Why does this matter? Because daily prevention beats a dreaded weekly deep scrub. What's the habit? A short wipe every single day, no exceptions. How does it work? Small effort, repeated daily instead of one big effort, repeated rarely. In most Western homes, it's the opposite. Big cleanup once a week and nothing in between. People don't remember your living room. They remember your bathroom. You're always just one visit away from being judged. Number 4. The 5 minutes that save your whole morning. Ever notice your mornings always feel chaotic? Dishes from last night, toys still scattered, clutter from a day that already ended. This is where everything changes. In Japan, many households do a short nightly reset, 5 to 10 minutes before bed, resetting shared spaces back to zero. Why bother at night? Because tomorrow shouldn't start on top of today's mess. What's the habit? A quick tidy up every single evening. How long does it take? Less time than brushing your teeth and washing your face combined. In the West, we usually just go to bed and deal with it tomorrow, which means tomorrow starts already behind. Your morning stress didn't start this morning. It started last night when nobody reset the room. 5 minutes tonight buys you a calmer version of tomorrow. Number 3. The ritual that looks like punishment and isn't. Most people mop standing up, moving fast from a distance. It feels like cleaning, but it misses half of what's actually on the floor. Now think about that. In Japan, there's a method where you get down low on your hands and knees and push a cloth across the floor by hand. Kids are taught this in school as part of their daily routine. Why does this work better? Because you catch dust and grime, a mop just drags past. What's the method? Hands and knees, short bursts, room by room. How is it taught? Early, as a normal part of childhood, not a chore you dread. In the West, we upgraded to mops and called it progress. Standing up, you actually clean less than you think. Sometimes the old-fashioned way was never outdated. It was just more thorough. Number 2, the thing you're sleeping on every night without thinking about it. Here's something you probably never consider. Your mattress sits in the same spot for years, soaking up sweat and moisture every single night. But wait, in Japan, bedding gets aired out and dried in sunlight regularly. The sun itself kills bacteria and dries out anything trapped inside. Why does this matter? An adult can produce close to a glass of sweat overnight. All of it soaks into the fabric. What's the habit? Regular sun exposure, weekly or every other week. How does it work? Sunlight naturally kills bacteria and dust mites, no chemicals needed. In most Western homes, the mattress just stays there for years, untouched. Aha moment. You wash your sheets all the time. You've probably never actually cleaned what's underneath them. You're not just sleeping on a mattress, you're sleeping on everything it's absorbed. Number 1, the line you cross. Every time you walk through your own front door, and here it is. Number 1. In most Western homes, shoes worn all day outside walk straight onto the carpet, sometimes onto the couch, sometimes onto the bed. The real surprise comes next. One study found more than 400,000 units of bacteria living on the outside of a single shoe. And from that moment on, everything feels different. In Japan, shoes come off at the door. Every time, no exceptions, no matter who you are or how quick the visit is. Why does this matter? Because that bacteria transfers to clean floors almost every single time you take a step. What's the system? A hard physical boundary between outside and inside. How simple is it? Just shoes off right at the entrance every single time. In the West, we walk straight through the front door without a second thought. You don't have a dirty floor problem. You have an open door problem every hour, all day long. Your front door was never just an entrance. It was always supposed to be a filter. Every single habit on this list comes back to one idea. Japan doesn't clean harder. Japan builds small boundaries, so the mess never gets the chance to start. If you want to keep discovering the smartest ideas Japan has to offer, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the next video on your screen. It's loaded with even more jaw-dropping ideas you won't believe exist.